In this video, I'm going to show you how to install YouTube Kids on your Samsung TV so your children can enjoy a safe and entertaining viewing experience. Let's get started. Installing YouTube Kids is simple, but the process may vary slightly depending on your TV model. First, ensure your Samsung TV is connected to the internet. Press the home button on your remote to access the main menu, then navigate to the Apps section. From there, open the Samsung App Store or Smart Hub, depending on your TV's interface. Once in the App Store, use the search bar to type YouTube Kids. If the app appears in the search results, select it and click Install to download and add it to your TV. If you don't see YouTube Kids in the App Store, it's possible that your TV model doesn't support the app directly. In that case, you can use a workaround by casting YouTube Kids from a smartphone or tablet. To do this, ensure your phone and Samsung TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the YouTube Kids app on your mobile device, play a video and tap the cast icon. Select your Samsung TV from the list of available devices, and the content will stream directly to your TV. Another option is to use a streaming device like a Roku, Fire Stick, or Chromecast. Simply install the YouTube Kids app on the streaming device and connect it to your Samsung TV via HDMI. Once set up, you can launch the app and start using it right away. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on setting up apps and devices. Thanks for watching, and I hope installing YouTube Kids on your Samsung TV was easy and straightforward. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.